Slide into your mind so silky. Up under the town we fly. Clean it up just to make it filthy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're all doing well. Today I have a pretty cool tutorial for you guys. I literally just noticed that I've never posted a video with a bold lip before. Isn't that crazy? So today I decided to just do a little bit more of a fun look on the lips, but for the eyes it's a little bit more natural, as you can see. I also wanted to let you guys know that I'm doing a comeback. I know that I always say this, but this time it's for real. I'm doing a comeback on my YouTube channel and I'm going to be doing my best to post at least once a week. I'll be posting every Thursday, and if ever there's any additional videos, then I will be posting those throughout the week as well. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, as I am making a comeback on YouTube. I'll also be more on Instagram, posting makeup pictures, makeup tutorials, makeup content, and all of that good stuff. So if ever you guys want to follow me on Instagram, you can follow me at Linna Tran, so at LINNATRAN. All of the products that I used will be in the description box below. So if ever you guys are interested in knowing how I achieved this look, please keep on watching. Alright guys, so first I'm starting with this white eyeshadow, and I'm just applying it right underneath my eyebrows, and I'll also be applying it in the inner corners of my eyes in order to add a highlight.
Time passes by as we do our thing. See you next season like you are the spring. It's getting late, you need my touch. All you gotta do is ask me nicely. I wanna see you too.
Next, I'm coming in with this shade, and this is actually a bronzer from the Patrick Starrr collection. I wanted to use a bronzer because I really wanted to keep this look as neutral as possible. So I'm applying it on the outer corners of my eyes and blending it into my crease. Next, I'm coming in with the Dazzle Shadow Liquid in Beam Time. This is a product from MAC. I'm applying it directly onto my eyes, and afterwards I'll be blending it out with my fingers in order to give it a more natural finish. Now I'm coming in with the Tattoo Liner by Kat Von D in order to create a winged eyeliner. Now I'm coming in with the eye pencil in Definitely Black in order to tightline, and I also use the same pencil in my waterline. Now I'm using the bronzer that I used earlier for my eyes, and I'm using it right underneath my black pencil just to smoke out the look a little bit. I also curled my lashes, and now I'll be applying my false eyelashes. So now all I did is I applied foundation and concealer. I'm coming in with my bronzer and applying it right underneath my cheekbones, on my jawline, and a little bit on my temples. So now I'm taking the same bronzer and I'm contouring my nose. Next, I'm going to be taking my blush and I'm just going to be applying it right on the apples of my cheeks.
Next, I'm taking my Opal highlighter by Becca and I'm applying it right on top of where I applied my blush. I'll also be applying it right on my forehead, on the tip of my nose, and on my cupid's bow. Next, I'm coming in with my setting powder. This is the Studio Fix powder by MAC in NW20. I'm applying it right underneath my eyes, and I also applied it on my T-zone. Now I'm coming in with my other setting powder. This is the Studio Fix powder in C4, and I'm just going to be applying it everywhere else. Now this is the Prep and Prime Lip by MAC. I highly suggest that you wear a lip primer or really hydrate your lips before going for a bright lipstick, just so that it doesn't crack throughout the day, because that's not very cute, guys. So now I'm applying my lip liner. This is in Talking Points. It's by MAC and it's a bright pink.
Don't you know it's all for you? It's all for you. Every breath I take for you.
Next, I'm coming in with my lipstick, and I'm so sorry guys, this lipstick is a limited edition product, but if ever you guys want to have the same kind of look, you can try Pink Pigeon or Candy Yum Yum by MAC.
I'm a dreamer, baby. Know just when to let go, but you'll hold me till.
Alright guys, so that's the end of my tutorial. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching it. I actually had a lot of fun playing with this lip color and this makeup look, even though the eyes are a little bit more simple. It's been a pretty long time since I've done a simple eyeshadow like this. Usually I go for more bold or darker colors, so it was a nice difference. So if ever you guys really enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if ever you guys want to see more makeup tutorials or you guys want to learn more tips and tricks about makeup. Don't forget to subscribe. And I also have a website that you guys can visit if ever you're in the Montreal or Laval area. I do offer makeup services and private courses on how to become a professional makeup artist and how to do your personal makeup and perfect your makeup skills. So all of that will be listed in the description box below.